point is, you are not telling us the truth.
Honorable Solomon Kuyon is my good friend, a brother. We work together. Recently, he was at home, and I went with him.
You have a working relationship with him?
Very well.
We don't mind. We don't care if he's your good friend or your next born or your big brother. What we are asking is work, because the president has sent a chunk sums of monies to you to be able to work with your MPs, yes, so that the ordinary person would benefit from this initiative.
When was the last time you spoke to him?
This morning.
And what did you speak to him about?
I told him I was coming here and I'm here. And he told me he was at Tema attending board meeting.
Very well. And how many?
Yesterday we had a...
That's okay. That's okay. How many assembly meetings have you had?
So far, one.
One. Was he invited?
According to my coordinating director, he invited him.
How can your good friend, you, the MCE, have a meeting of the district, and it is your coordinating director?
They normally send the invitation letters.
But did you follow up to see if he was invited?
I knew he heard it, and I asked.
You knew he heard it?
No. They informed me that I asked my coordinating director, "Have you informed my MP?" And he said yes.
How many times have you had meetings?
Meetings?
Yes.
General Assembly meeting, yes. One so far.
So far, one?
One, yes.
And that's the one the coordinating director invited him?
Yes, please.
And he wasn't present?
Yes, please.
Did you check up why he wasn't present?
We were all expecting him. He never mentioned that he wasn't coming.
So after that, have you asked him why he wasn't present?
Yes, please.
What was his reason?
That it was like not forgotten.
What is the meaning of like?
No, the point is...
The point is, you are not telling us the truth.
Honorable Solomon Kuyon is my good friend, a brother. We work together. Recently, he was at home, and I went with him.
You have a working relationship with him?
Very well.
We don't mind. We don't care if he's your good friend or your next born or your big brother. What we are asking is work, because the president has sent a chunk sums of monies to you to be able to work with your MPs, yes, so that the ordinary person would benefit from this initiative. So the moment the DC has a problem with the MP, no matter where the MP comes from, it affects the ordinary people. And the money should be sitting in the accounts. I don't know what you people want to do with the money sitting there, and we have to do this. And yes, you have the roadmap, you have to. But this meeting is also important in that we are finding out that there are some blocks depriving you from getting your money quickly. We are going to work on that as well. Otherwise, the whole idea is not making sense anymore. So, Honorable will come back to you, but please, we don't want this idea of, even if you want to contest your MP, this to everybody, it's not time yet. You have to allow the system and the money that's the president and his initiative, you have to allow it to grow. Okay?
Madam Chair, there is nothing holding us up. We are working vigorously.
Okay, Honorable, continue.
Thank you for working vigorously, but that is not the facts I have. How many projects are you intending to undertake?
Per our budget and what the Common Fund Administration has given us, we are to ensure that we build 3 classroom blocks, KG block, 6-unit classroom, and 3-unit classroom for junior high school. We are to build 2 chief compound at least. And we are to do some legacy or work on some legacy projects and all that. So these are all projects. And I
like the way you have articulated them.
And also we are to drill 10 mechanized boreholes.
Very well. So in all of this, where was the Honorable Member of Parliament to make an input? Did he make an input through writing to you or meeting you to table down some of the projects he would appreciate, even the location? Even the location. You know that sometimes you are a district chief executive. He is a member of parliament, a representative of the people. He went around canvassing for votes. So there have been times that people told him, and apart from telling, he also validated to know that, oh, maybe a certain area will need boreholes. Have you sought his input in all these projects you have mentioned very well?
Honorable, it is pleased to inform you that during the 2024 election, I was with Honorable Solomon Kuyon.
I've gone beyond that. I just want you to know, please.
Yes.
Honorable DC, I don't want us to have any banter.
Okay.
Respectfully, I want you to understand that you are under oath.
Yes.
And if the member of parliament is asked and he says something else, the chair has the powers to deal with you further.
Yes.
I'm asking you very specific questions. I'm not talking about 2024. We have gone.
I was coming to a point.
So go straight to the point. There are other members who are from far and they may have to go back. My question is that did you solicit the inputs of the member of parliament in all the projects you have mentioned?
Fortunately, in this very hall, I came with my regional minister and others, our OT caucus. That was where we came and laid bare all the projects that we needed to do, and we are.
Honorable DC, what's your name again?
Martin Kofi Anato.
Honorable Martin Kofi Anato.
Yes.
My question has nothing to do with the regional minister.
Yes.
My question again is that did you solicit for the inputs of your member of parliament in coming out with the projects you have stated and even the locations? Simple. Yes, no.
I informed him. By which time I came to meet that these projects were budgeted for.
How much money have you received so far from Common Fund?
6,444,000 thereabout.
And how much have you generated with reference to IGF?
IGF, very unfriendly. We have generated so far 136.
So you have about 6 point something thereabout.
Yes, please.
So with this 6 point something thereabout, what have you done with any of this cash?
We are going through the procurement processes. One, they are working on Papatia Junior High School at the moment. Two, we have done the procurement for one classroom block, that is 3 classroom block, 4 boreholes, mechanized boreholes, then 1 chief compound, and the chief compound.
Have you done any advertisements already with reference to this procurement?
With these 3.
But in all of this, you are still telling me that the honorable member of parliament was not part of the process.
Like I said, he knew what we were doing.
How did he know?
We were discussing, we were talking.
You and him?
By the time he informed me he had a place, I told him that we were sending a project to Bandabuya. And he said I should send it to a different location, by which time, projects are emanated from the budget. We have already budgeted, and I came to meet some
How many budget hearings have you had?
You mean my constituency?
Yes. No, your district. You are not the MP. You are dealing with the district. How many budget hearings have you had? Do you know? Have you ever had any budget hearings?
Internally.
You can't have budget hearings externally. Thank you. I have no further question.
No, you don't know.
Okay.
I think you are talking too much.
Madam,
So,
sorry.
From what we've captured, you are not doing well. You are discharged.
All right, Ebusia. Yama Wakaba Bion from Braga and MTV. So, as a municipal chief executive of a constituency, and as a district, I was say who engage a member of parliament, Now, only the campaign was say MP common fund, a MP Nisika, but if I'm MP, you're the Blair Assembly, and as a district, So, as a member of parliament, ABA during campaign time, our call rounds, there are places that he visited that here 1 or 2 staff, they move here boreholes, they move here toilets, they move here maybe some in maybe 2 or maybe a week for here fertilizer, here really side near the or show boss of Mama Sani man. What I say? If most here quite near the. So if you don't engage your municipal chief, your member of parliament as a MC and as a DC, you will fail What I say? Forget to say be MP near MPP and NDC. You need to engage them because they are representing you in parliament. If they are not in parliament, you wouldn't be there as the municipal chief executive or the district chief executive. I can't say executive. But I don't know the reason why this Krachi MCE, this man, from the look of things and the way things are going, is actually failing. Look at the explanation he was given. It was not a question, not in East, not in West. And this is your MCE. So you that you are in that constituency now. Just imagine if this person is your MCE, would you say in Punto Beba constituency? Do you believe say in Punto Beba constituency? Yeah. Oh, what about now? You've said a lot of nothing. Cheska will receive, and there is nothing to show for it. In fact, you even do stuff without the MP's knowledge, bro. No. I think these people, some of them should be reshuffled by now. Because how? How is this possible? It's very sad. But guys, that's the development of Krachi constituency Eba. That's the Krachi DC, and that's what he said concerning Skalmeri CV and what he has been able to do so far, and the relation between him and the member of parliament of the constituency. Let us know what you also think about whatever he said during the committee engagement on your Mukonyayan. Hi, Ghana MCE.